What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Welcome back to the driving experience. We're back with another video. So this video, we getting a new car. Yup, we getting a new car. The reason why we getting a new car is not because we wanted to get a new car, it's because our previous car, the Range Rover, got totaled. I'm gonna give you a quick story on what happened. So that morning, I actually was up in the morning to go drop Raya off to school and drop Tay off to work. So after I drop off to work, I also had to meet one of my friends because we had some business to talk about. I pick him up and take him to a diner close to where I live at. When we get there, I park in a legal parking spot, get into the diner, we eating, we chopping it up. Like 15 minutes into us sitting down, we hear two loud thumps. Boom, boom. We talking, but I see everybody else looking out the window. So I look out the window, I see my car crushed in. So I go outside, I look at my car and I see that it's crushed in. It got hit by like a university truck. It was a big car and he hit like two other cars while hitting my car. My car was like the worst. There was damage from the front and the back. I'm gonna drop a video in here real quick, you're gonna see. Yes, you see, the car was crushed. So now fast forward, you know, we got full coverage. We go through insurance. The insurance company confirmed it as totaled. So with that being said, that means we have to get a new car. So in the process of that, it took us 3 weeks to get a new car. We was in a rental for 3 weeks. Now we came to a final decision on a car that I feel like I wanted more than Tay did. Tay more of a SUV person. I'm a sedan person. She's not really jacking the sedan, but you're gonna still see her reaction when the car get dropped off, and hopefully she'll like it more when she see it, you know what I mean? But also, it's also not even the car that I wanted because it was so hard. Well, I'm not gonna say the car that I wanted, but the interior that I wanted of the car. It was so hard to get a car during this pandemic. Because of the pandemic, everything was like hard to get, ports are closed. It was so hard. That's why it took us a long time to even come up with a decision to get a car. We finally came up with one, so I just got the call that it's on its way to being dropped off because Tay gonna file on some paperwork. So I'm gonna catch y'all when we get the car and let's see Tay's reaction. Peace. So, we just got here. I just picked up this one. So she's gonna finalize some of the paperwork right now. About to go see the car. How you feeling?
I wanna see this car. Give me this camera. So, I don't know. I really just need to see this car because he is like head over heels.
It's not even head over heels. So, you don't like sedans?
I only like SUVs, convertibles.
A convertible is a small.
A coupe or convertible. That's not true. Not all coupes are small. That's it. If I do want a sedan, the only sedan I like is a what?
A Tesla.
A Tesla. That's the only one I'd settle for. All right, but you know what? Marriage is about compromise, and this time, oh God, we're compromising.
About to pull up, right?
He's about to pull up on his car, his new boo. Let's see.
How you doing?
Doing good. I'm gonna get out and say hello.
Okay.
Spiro, nice to meet you.
Eat that jack. What you think?
It's better in person.
It's better in person. So, everything is all said and done. I'm driving in my new car, the Mercedes S580. This is the dash. This shit is hard. I think Tay gonna start liking it more. She said it looks better in person. We're gonna change the ambient lights. I'm gonna get some tints. Got to. This is nice. Little sunroof. I'm gonna head on my way back home to go get ready to pick up Raya. Want to see her reaction, and then go pick up Tay, and then head back to the crib. So stay tuned, guys. Catch ya later. Peace. So we picked up Raya, and she busted out a dance move like she knew we had a new car. Raya, How you like the car so far, huh? Do you like it? Do you like the car? Yes or no, mama? She looking away. Why you looking away? No, I don't think she like it, I guess. But how's the driving experience so far, babe?
The driving is, I mean, everything I expect. I mean, it better drive like this.
It's smooth, right?
It should fly too and serve lunch, but I think that I gotta. It's so doggone big in the front, like.
Yeah, let me show y'all. It's huge in the front.
It's huge. Like all I see is hood, and then I'm barely like I can barely reach. So I'm like mad close up, like this. Like this is crazy.
I'm happy. I got the car that I want. It's beautiful. It drives very smooth.
So he got the car that he wants, just okay for this time, I guess. I get a lot of things that I want a lot, so he can have it this time. The car that he wants.
Alright, so like I said, this is the car that I wanted for a long time, and I got it in the most weirdest way, but I got it, and I'm loving it so far. I'm gonna continue loving it, so I just pray for more blessings and more cars and whatever you want for the future, you know what I mean? Thanks for tuning into the drama experience, the Mercedes edition. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if y'all like this video, so we can keep giving y'all more videos. And I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace.